Imagine getting paid just for sharing your thoughts on products and services you use every day. With Survey Junkie, it's that simple. Click on the link in the video description to discover how you can start earning today by taking surveys.
The judge in the Scott Peterson murder case has allowed for only one piece of new evidence to go through a new round of DNA testing. Peterson, 51, is currently serving a life sentence in prison after being found guilty of killing his pregnant wife, Lacey, and their unborn son, Connor, in 2002. He has been in jail at Mule Creek State Prison since his 2004 conviction and is now working with the Los Angeles Innocence Project, which has new DNA evidence that they claim will allegedly free him. The nonprofit represents people who may have been wrongly convicted and sent to jail. It works to find new, undiscovered details, including DNA evidence that can help prove someone's innocence. The organization took up the case in January and requested that over a dozen pieces of evidence from the original investigation needed to have new DNA tests conducted. A piece of the new evidence included a possibly bloody mattress which was found inside a burnt van near the Petersons' home. On Wednesday, the judge ruled that a single piece of duct tape, measuring 15.5 inches long, that was found on Lacey's pants at the time of her autopsy will be tested for DNA, according to CBS News. The defense argued the tape may have DNA that could point to a person who was involved in Lacey's murder other than Peterson. However, the other evidence presented by Peterson's lawyers was denied for new DNA tests. Prosecutors argued the testing by telling the court that the evidence was already tested in 2019. But the defense found that the limited testing was inconclusive and needed to be run again. Peterson's lawyers continued to push that the soiled mattress had stains that tested presumptively positive for blood, but only a very small portion of the mattress fabric was tested for DNA, lawyers claimed in court documents, according to CBS News. They argued that testing was insufficient to determine whether DNA from Lacey and/or Connor was present. However, the judge ruled that the 2019 testing showed there were no traces of blood on the mattress, according to NBC News. The judge also agreed with the prosecution, which argued that the van was not related to the case and that the defense failed to prove it was. Also, the defense failed to prove that other items found near where Lacey's body washed to shore were directly associated with her and Connor, according to the judge, reported by NBC News. Lacey Peterson went missing on December 23, 2002, while walking her dog, launching the search for her. Peterson's lawyers wanted a glove and hammer found in a neighbor's home tested for DNA. However, the judge said that the items were never in police custody, thus not qualifying for retesting. Lacey was 27 years old and 8 months pregnant when she vanished from her Modesto, California home, about 90 miles east of San Francisco, on Christmas Eve in 2002. In April 2003, 2 bodies washed to the shore of San Francisco Bay. Connor's body was found on April 13 and Lacey's was found on April 14, according to CNN. Peterson was found guilty after prosecutors argued that he dumped Lacey's body in the Berkeley Marina on Christmas Eve. Prosecutors claimed that Peterson's motive for the killings was to escape the responsibilities of married life and impending fatherhood, according to CNN. He then tried to cover up her death by making it seem as if she went missing, a jury heard from prosecutors. Only parts of Lacey's body were found, including her torso, arms that were missing the elbow down, one leg that was missing from the knee down, and a leg that was missing a foot, Court TV reported in 2022. Her head was never found and all of her organs were missing, except part of her uterus, according to the report. The next hearing is scheduled for July 1 to discuss the next steps in the testing process.